Hello students, so we'll start with exercise 10.3. Okay, first question. Reduce the following equations into slope-intercept form and find their slopes in the y-intercepts. Okay, so take the first equation, x plus 7y equal to 0. Now here c is 0. Okay, so we can write this as x plus 7, you can write it as 1 upon 7. Okay, to 0. This we have to write in terms of slope intercept. That is y equal to mx plus. So this becomes 7y equal to minus x. So y is minus 1 upon 7x. Okay, plus 0. So m is minus 1 by 7, which is our slope, and y-intercept is 0. Okay, second equation, 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is 3y equal to minus 6x plus 5. So dividing by 3, so it will be minus 2, 5 by 3. Okay, so m is minus 2 and c is 5 by 3. Okay. Third equation, y equal to 0. So this is directly given as 0. So the slope is 0, that is 0 into x plus 0. Slope is 0, y-intercept is also 0. Okay. Second equation, reduce the following equations into intercept form and find their intercepts on the axis. Equation is, so we have to write it in the intercept form. Okay. So equal to 12, divide by 12. So this 4, 6. So x upon 4 plus y upon 6 equal to 1. So a is 4 and b is 6. Okay. Second equation, 4x minus 3y equal to 6. So divide by 6. Okay. So this becomes 3 by 2. This minus you have to remove. So you can write minus for this. Okay. So a is 3 by 2 and b is minus 2. Okay. Third equation, 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So this is x is not there. Divide by minus 2. So y upon minus 2 by 2. Okay. So x-intercept is 0 and y-intercept is minus 2 by 3. Minus. Okay. Next question. Reduce the following equations into normal form. Find the perpendicular distance from the origin and angle between the perpendicular and the positive axis. Okay, so first one is given x minus root 3y. Let's say it equal to 0. Now this can be written as in the following way also, that is a is what? A is 1. B is minus root 3. Correct? So root of a square plus b square is our 1 plus root 3 square, which is root 4. So this is 2. Okay. So if I divide this 2 by the whole equation, okay, x minus root 3 y plus 8. 8 I will take that set. So I want this as positive. So I will first change the sign, divide by 2. So cos, this is cos alpha, this is sin alpha, and p. Okay, p is 4. Cos alpha is minus half and sin alpha is root 3 by 2. So the sin alpha is root 3 by 2. From there you can see that the angle is 60 degree. Okay, but we are getting cos negative and sin positive. So in which quadrant it is? It is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, 60 multiple of 60 is 120. Okay, so alpha is 120. Okay, second equation. Next question. D is 4 units and a distance is given. You have to find the points on the x-axis. Whose line is given. Okay, and the points are on the x-axis. X-axis means the points are in the form of a comma 0. That is x1 is there but y1 is 0. Okay, so we have to find x1 comma 0. This we can write 4x plus 3y equal to 12, so minus 2. Distance is given by a into x1. A is 4, 3 into y1 minus 12 upon root of 4 square plus 3 square. So this is 16 plus 9, 5, 25. So 5 fours are 20. So mod is there. Have two values. First one is positive. So 20 plus 12, 32. So x1 is 8. Okay. And for the negative value, minus 4x1 plus 12. 20 minus 12, 8. So x1 is minus 2. Okay. So the 2 points are 8 comma 0 or minus 2 comma 0. Okay. Sixth question. Find the distance between the parallel lines. So first is given. Distance is given by C1 minus C2 upon root of A square plus B square. Okay. So this is minus 65 upon 225 plus 16. To 41. Sorry, this is 8 8 64. 9. 289. So this is 70. Okay. Next, two lines are given. L x plus y plus p. Okay. So Distance C1 is E, C2 minus of minus 1. Root of A squared plus B squared. So square and root we can cancel. So this L root 2 P plus R. Okay. Seventh question. Find the equation of the line parallel to the line passing through the point. Okay. So there is a line which is parallel to another line. This equation is given and passing through the point. Point is also given. Okay. So parallel means slopes are equal. Okay. That line is passing through this point. This line is passing through minus 2 comma 3. So to write the equation of this line, we want slope. Slope we can find using this line. Okay. So minus 4y equal to minus 3x minus 2 y equal to minus 3 by minus 4 2 by minus 4. So m is 3 by 4. Okay, we got the slope and we have the point. So using slope intercept form, not slope point form. So y minus y1 and x minus x. Okay, so this is the equation. Eighth question, find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line and having x-intercept 3. Okay, so the line is given. So there is one more line which is perpendicular to this line. X-intercept at 3. So we can use the slope intercept form. Okay. So we know that perpendicular lines have they have slopes m1, m2 equal to minus 1, this condition, correct? So from here you can find the slope of first line, that is m1. So m1 is 1 by 7. Okay. What about m2? So m1, m2 equal to minus 1. 1 by 7 into m2 equal to minus 1. So m2 is minus 7. Okay. Now use that x-intercept. We can write this x-intercept. I write it as a 3. Okay. So y is equal to m x minus a. So this is the equation. Next question. You have to find the angle between the lines. Lines are given in the general form. So we want m. Minus x plus 1 divided by root 3. So m1 is minus root 3, m2 is minus 1 upon root 3. So what is the how angle is written? Tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m. m1 is minus root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus minus root 3 into minus 1 upon root 3. Okay. So this is cross multiplying, you will get minus 3 plus 1 upon root 3. This into minus plus 1 2. Minus 2 upon 2 root 3. So mod of minus 1 upon root 3. Okay. So this is 1 upon root 3. If you remove the mod, is 1 upon root 3. Correct? So the angle, tan of which angle is 1 upon root 3? It is 30 degree. Correct? So theta is 30 degree. So if you have 1 upon root 3, this is for positive. And if you get minus 1 upon root 3, then it will be 150 degree in the second quadrant. Okay. Next question. Question 10. The line through the points 3 and 4, 1 intersect the line. Okay. So this line h 3 and 4, 1. Okay. This is intersecting the line 7x minus 9y minus 19 equal to 0 at right angles. So the angle between these two lines, suppose this is L1, this is L2, is 90 degree. So the slopes are, we can use the condition m1, m2 equal to minus 1. Okay, you have to find the value of h. So m1, I'll find the slope of this line first. 1 minus 3 upon 4 minus h. So this is minus 2 upon 4 minus h. What about m2? So that equation we have to reduce. Second line. Divide by minus 9. M is 7 by 9. Okay. This is our m2. So substituting in this equation, you will get minus 2 upon 4 minus h into 7 by 9 equal to minus 1. Okay. Multiplying, you will get minus 14 upon minus 14 plus 36. Positive. So h is 22 by 9.